What's up, engineers? We're back with another vlog for day two of the vlog. We got some exciting things going on. Will's typing on the keyboard.
So right here, I have about 7 terminal windows open, and they all serve a specific purpose.
Owen. Raspberry Pi.
Control of Declan right now. So if I push forward, it moves him, and if I stop, he sees that. So we got to go left, right? We got to go left a little bit.
Does it have obstacle avoidance?
Yes, it does. And then we go right, sees the wall. That's it. Stop. Oh my. Okay.
I thought it had obstacle avoidance.
All right, I'm disconnected now. We must have. So we just got a delivery of some new materials, so we're gonna go.
We're going to pick it up.
Let's see how we can.
All right, let's load this up.
All right.
What are you guys doing?
Just got some new materials.
New materials. Just take a delivery of some.
There we go.
What do we do? Is that a tread? Hey. Okay, guys.
So we're just diagnosing a little problem here.
The problem we've been having is with the tensioner system.
Yeah, so whenever this goes around, it clicks on this tensioner, which is a loud and kind of annoying sound. And also, it kind of falls towards one direction, whichever way it moves. So we want to keep it straight up, but we still want the suspension that it gives, because that's important for making sure that the treads stay on correctly. Also, in this drive assembly, there's a little, you can watch the motor in the back, and you can see that the motor in the back isn't moving, but the whole drive assembly is. So it would be nice to get that all sorted out.
Okay, what's happening, Caleb? What are you doing?
The arm. So I'm trying to CNC this side plate. We have it out of wood, but just aluminum would be so much cooler, so I'm just trying to line it up so I can set my 0 points and hopefully get it all right. Just had a little sawdust leak. Some could be deadly, but we're very safe here in the BSM engineering lab. We're very safe.